we know that you all want to hear more about Overwatch 2.
We always want Overwatch to feel like this globe-trotting adventure for our players. So we're having a lot of fun coming up with the Overwatch version of Rome.
New York City is just an amazing Overwatch location. PvP feels different and new.
We're also experimenting with the idea we call role passives. Tank heroes all have knockback reduction against them.
We want to try to make them more toe-to-toe brawlers.
Damage dealing heroes have a movement speed bonus. Support heroes have automatic healing that kicks in after they haven't taken damage for a while. We're revisiting pretty much everything. Nothing's off the table.
Hero missions are probably one of the things that's the hardest to wrap your head around.
We are making cinematics that push the boundary of what we can do to tell stories. I'm jumping in, I'm playing, let's go be heroes.
250 HP, thick Cree. Oh Lord, he come.
Soldier 76 is bad, but also Soldier 76 is OP. Nerf this.
새해 복 많이 받으세요. 안녕.
For the love of God, get Echo balanced.
One of the really exciting things about Theme is that that's the place in music where you say something. Overwatch was so exciting because, we keep hearing this word hopeful. Well, it's really easy to be cool if you're brooding and dark, but it's really, really hard to be cool when it's hopeful and bright. And Overwatch has managed to do that.